Hello everybody, welcome to Sophia's Science Class, Handmade Edition. This is my GIF. And today we're going to be talking about the lymphatic system and immunity. So first, what is the lymphatic system? The lymphatic system is a network of tissues and organs that help rid the body of toxins, waste, and other unwanted materials. They are located deep inside the body, such as around the lungs and heart, or closer to the surface, such as under the arm or groin. Their two basic functions is to return leaks and fluids from blood vessels to blood vessels, filter fluids of bacteria and foreign matter. So speaking about the lymph nodes, these are important because they proper functioning of the immune system, acting as filters for foreign particles in cancer cells, but they do not have a detoxification function. In the lymphatic system, a lymph node is a secondary lymphoid organ, and this is what it looks like when it is swollen, because typically inflammation would happen and liquid would fill it in. It is a defense function for us, as you can see here with the red swollen. So the thymus is located right above the heart in the mediastinum, and the function of the thymus is the final site of the lymphocyte development before birth, which produces a hormone, thymosin, that which programs T cells. As you can see here, it's the hot pink little thing there called the thymus. The spleen is located right under the rib cage and above the stomach, and it destroys microorganisms by phagocytes. Monocytes and lymphocytes also complete the development here, and the tonsils, as you can see, are located in the mouth, which help the throat and act as a protective ring to trap germs and bacteria. When it comes to our defenses, specific and non-specific, non-specific defenses are the body's first line of defense, and they are not directed against a particular pathogen, while specific defenses are an antigen-specific part of the immune system. Non-specific would include fevers. So immunities, we have two types, which are natural and artificial. How do they differ? So natural immunity occurs through contact with a disease-causing agent when the contact was not deliberate, whereas artificial immunity develops only through deliberate actions of exposure. Roles of complement. So when it comes to the roles of complement in the immune system, the complement system is a part of the immune system that enhances the ability of the antibodies and phagocytic cells to clear microbes and damaged cells from an organism, promotes inflammation, and attacks the pathogen's plasma membrane. As we can see here, we have the phagocytes, which are cells that protect the body by ingesting harmful foreign particles, bacteria, and dead or dying cells. The virus enters the cell. Invagination, the phagosome eats it up. Basically, you can see it as a Pac-Man, and it destroys the virus altogether. Absorption. B cells. So the B cells in the immune system, main functions would be to make antibodies against antigens, to perform the role of antigens, presenting cells, APCs, to develop into memory B cells after activation by antigen interaction. So basically, they attack the invaders outside of the cells. T cells are part of the body's cell-mediated immunity, the part of the immune system which you can invasion, such as directly killing bacteria, viruses, and cancer cells. The other type, humoral immunity, protects our bodies from these invaders by making antibodies. Basically, they attack the infected cells. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching my video.